Welcome to Bold Story Press's Adding Music to an Instagram Reel video. To create a short video, or reel, go to your Profile tab at the bottom right corner. Then click the video icon in your profile. Click Create Your First Reel. Click Open Settings and allow Instagram to access your camera and your microphone by sliding these sliders. Then return to Instagram. If you've already filmed your reel, click the button at the bottom left of your screen. Select the video, then click Next. You can use the tools at the bottom to edit your reel. If you want to add music, click the music icon and select a song. If you have a specific one in mind, you can search for it. Here, Instagram makes song recommendations based on popular music. It's a good idea to use trending music because the algorithm might show your content to more users because it contains music people like listening to. However, don't choose music that doesn't fit your post or your message. Think about the mood you want to project on your viewers and make the decision from there. When you've selected music, click the arrow. Select the part of the song you want on your reel, then click Done. Click Next. Now you can preview your post. You can add a caption, tag other accounts, and add a location. When you're done, click Share. If you navigate to your Profile tab at the bottom right and click the video icon on your profile again, you'll be able to see your reel.